Hi guys, this is a small video review of this multi-function card which I recently purchased on gearbest.com. It is made of stainless steel and has several functions like screwdriver, a very sharp saw, and can opener, multiple types, and a tool for unscrewing hexagonal screws. It is a very thick and it feels very durable. It's almost 2 millimeters or more in the width. It has a small scale on the side for measuring. It's a very good overall quality. It comes in this small pouch, and it's a quite light tool to carry for as an everyday carry, an EDC tool for multiple purposes. Thanks for watching.